Aloha, it's Tim Tufuga here, and it's, what is it, Thursday. Today I'm just going to have lamb chops, and I'm going to use that, and seasoning, a bit of that, and onions, so the garlic is going to be in that. Bob your uncle, eh? Oh, he's not, but that's how we're going to do this, eh? Potato salad is going to be with whole egg mayo with shallots dashed into the spuds after it's been diced, and that goes with the with that. Okay, spuds have been diced and with the skins on because it gives you a bit of roughage. That'll help bit of roughage in your digestive system. Underneath I have these being grilled, so the lamb chops are being grilled, and this should be ready in a moment. And that's just the side veggies, boiled frozen veggies. Not that exciting, but the nutrition is okay. That's ready. I just add a bit of nutmeg and a dash of butter. I'm going to have to get some more. Mix out of the mayo with the shallots, with the diced spuds, so that's all ready. Veggies are ready. We'll add a dash of nutmeg and a dash of butter into it. If you do it too early or you've left it too late, it may go a bit off. So a bit of dash of the nutmeg, and then just a bit of a dollop of butter, and that's ready. Eggs. Oh, it's all done.